morning, Tina Johnson, Ambassador with the Watertown Area Chamber of Commerce. We are thrilled to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Ebert's Greenhouse Village, located at W1795 Fox Road in Ixonia. Built through decades of hard work and the shared vision of Mark and Ron Ebert, the village has grown into a premier destination, known for its beautiful setting, exceptional plants, and welcoming experience for all ages. Surrounded by scenic rolling hills and farmland, Ebert's continues to flourish thanks to the dedication of its talented team and the many blessings along the way. On the count of 3, we will celebrate Ebert's Greenhouse Village 50th anniversary. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to